Here's the app called Picnic Photo Organizer. Clean up storage and camera rolls. So this is the app to clean up your photos and videos, your screenshots, and also sort it out. So you sometimes can feel overwhelmed to organize all your photos on iPhone or Google Photos, wherever, where you have thousands of photos. So this is the fast and easy way to free up storage and organize your photos. Say goodbye to endless screenshots, duplicates, and clutter. Clogging up your camera roll. Say hello to the cleanest camera roll of your life. Double tap to favorite the best pics. Swipe your way to a clean camera roll, 100% private and secure. No ads and free swipes forever. So then, yeah, you can just have it like that. And then you can give access to your camera roll, you can give access to your verification, and then you see almost 3,000 pics already. And then you can just decide to keep it, or so for example, you decide to keep it, and then you decided to keep it, and then you just kind of like swipe it around. Then you can sort it. It creates albums for you. But then it requires super upgrade. By the way, you can also earn rewards for every friend. So this is the where you can just invite friends and have it here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. So, if you have paid version, it will automatically do everything for you and have albums. But here seems it's a bit more limited. It just has these very simplified things like screenshots and live photos and photos. And that's basically what it is.